Yeah, very, very cute. I have a question. So, do I look like a Thai? Hi, guys! Okay, guys. What's up, everyone? This is Nomadic Filipina, and today I'm going to give you another room tour here in Pattaya. That's where we actually stay for 2 nights, guys. So we are just staying here in Pattaya for 2 nights. So we're right here in front of the hotel that we are staying. So this is it, guys. This is the hotel that we are staying, and if you are wondering how much is one for per night, it's like 9,000 pesos per night, and let's say the amenities inside, guys. So but before that, I'm going to show you the outside view of the hotel that we are staying. So we have actually a very, very good location, so very close to the beach as well. It's like walking distance for everything. Like you got the massages areas, Thai Visas Express, like we need visas extension and everything, and a lot of restaurants as well, restaurants and bars. So this is the area looks like. That is super high, but not super high to the previous places that we went to, like the very, very tallest buildings that we'd gone crazy over the heights, because we don't really like the heights areas, guys. So but that one, we are staying here in Amethyst Hotel Pattaya, Thailand. Sawadee. Charot. So yes, this is the outside view, and I'm going to bring you to the inside. So let's go, guys. Hello. So this is the inside looks like. This is like a concierge. Yeah. Where you can indulge some chicken over there. Yeah. And if you're waiting for your time to get chicken, you can have the place for yourself to sit down over there. And you get some food over here as well, guys. Actually, this place is included for the breakfast as well, like that. So but you can choose your food as well here. They do have what you call that, buffet and a la carte. So this is look like an a la carte, guys. And you can also measure your, if you are really health conscious, you can measure your how many calories that you eating. So it's really good. So it's like a healthy food menu. Yeah, aside from this, aside from that one, guys, look at this. So this is like the elevator area. Yeah, and I'm going to bring it there. Actually, guys, their food or their buffet is like up until 11 a.m. So we still have time to eat. We are actually in the lobby right now, and I'm going to bring you to our 2 night stays here in Pattaya. Sawadee ka! So let's go, guys. So this is where we are staying. Yeah, it's already open. Wow. I'm really amazed with this area because it's really super nice. We need to close that one. So we put our stuff over here. So you can see, guys, it's really looking super modern and looks super, super good, guys. Like very, very relaxing area. And you know what, guys? I like purple, guys. And this area, the name of this one is Amethyst Hotel. Amethyst. I store my bag over here. You can, you can, make a video of yourself looking at the mirror. And of course, you got this also, guys. This is a, if you want coffee or hot water, you got some over there. You can store your drinks. And of course, guys, we got here our favorite area. We got some bathtub over here, hot and cold. You can see that the red and the blue color. And we got this here, and our stuff over there. And of course, guys, where you can relax more. They got also the shower, which is really nice, like we need always a shower after long days, exploring Pattaya. So we got that amazing shampoo, body lotions, and bodies, for body soap. Yeah. Cool, guys. I like their packaging for their soap. Yeah, it looks nice. And you can chill over here, guys, if you are tired there. So you can just chill over here, or like you can work yourself over there, like since especially they have the plug over there. So but this area is like no smoking, guys. Yeah, they put it there, no smoking. So it's like you can chill over here also, like sitting down over here like that, and you have your food over there, your Filipino beside you, or the Sorika, or your Thailand girl. And of course, guys, the bed looks super nice. Filipinas, a lot of Filipinas really love bed, guys, because we love sleeping. Charet. It looks super comfortable, guys. Super comfy. And you got this lobby. It's like or terrace, guys. Terrace, not a lobby. Terrace. I just love the area, guys. And of course, we got the windows. It's like overlooking to the city as well. Oh my god, guys, I'm really amazed. Again, guys, the bottom area. So, magdari. Let's see. Let's go to 7. 8. Oh, wow. I forgot that you need really a card, guys, to press the button. So we don't have a card yet, so we need to put this. And let's go. I'm not sure, guys. I'm just trying to tap the highest floor. So let's go. I haven't been eaten yet, guys. This morning, so wow, wow, guys. Oh, they got gym as well. Gym, my favorite place. And they got some bar lunch. Sorry ka. Did I say it right, guys? Not sure. This is where you can relax, drink, order there, and chill over here. Wait. Hello, I have a question.
Yes.
So, do I look like a Thai? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, thank you. See? I asked them, do I look like a Thai? Because a lot of people thought that I am a Thai lady. Like, they were gonna start talking to me in their Thai language. Wow, guys. Look at this. I miss this pool. I didn't able to swim in here. It would be nice. It would be nice to swim in here, guys. But I didn't able to. Wow. It's literally infinity's swimming pool. Where there is your view over there. Yeah. So as of the moment, guys, we just sitting down here in the barbershop area, and then this is the area looks like. So we're in the tattoos area. There's a lift station over there and chilling over here. And I'm going to go to the nail salon, guys. I need to fix this because it looks bad. It's not fair at all. Guys, earlier we went to the nail salon because I need to fix my nails. Because if you have seen one of my live streams, we were missing some nails here. So I went there actually, guys, and then I will let this being fixed, and then they're super nice to me. They're super kind and thoughtful. They don't let me pay for it, even I do offer. So it was good impression for me so far. First day here, and guys are very hungry. Choose their food, which is the croissant. I like croissant so much, guys. So I'm gonna buy croissant. Thank you. And also the coffee. Sweet, a little bit. Yeah, thank you. So we're actually currently walking here, guys, this area, but we don't know yet where is the beach. Maybe later we're gonna go there. Oh, see, guys, you believe me now, there's some people are swimming over there, but as what I've heard, guys, that the quality of the water is not good in here. That's the reason why there's no a lot of people are swimming over here. Yes. Actually, guys, I wanna get a massage. So they got some Thai massage over here. Not sure what I'm gonna get. So Thai massage. Maybe they have Swedish massage. Okay. So it's nighttime here in Pattaya, guys. So let's see what's in here. During nighttime earlier, it was in our video. It wasn't really that fun, but I'll show them some street. Thank you. No. Ah, that was an epic. That was an epic, guys. Some balance.
Camera.
Yeah, it's camera. I'm glad I filmed it. So guys, actually we are trying this hop on bus, and if you're going to stop, you can just press this one, so you're gonna stop, and then if you're wondering how much we pay for this, so you're just going to pay for 10 baht, and they're gonna bring you wherever you wanna go. You just you just tap that, and you can see the city here. As you can see, yeah, and then I think this is way more better because you know you can save a lot of money. Like it will gonna take you wherever you wanna go. Yeah. So now, guys, we are actually now in the walking street area. Let's. Seriously? Okay, guys, I didn't expect that really. Good morning to our Nomadic Filipina family, and today we are going to bring you to Terminal 21 Grande Century Point here in Pattaya. So as you can see guys, like actually this is new for me. Like I haven't seen this kind of design like this. Like how did they put this one in here? Is this real? Is this real guys? I don't know. I need to do research for this one. Like wow, it's amazing. Like I think guys, this one is there is actually another one bigger mall here in Pattaya, but this one is way more popular, way more nicer. Yeah, as I heard, and as you can see guys, this one. Can I drive this? Ride with this? Ay nako. So yep, we are outside area of this mall, which is the Terminal 21. I now remember when I have actually a subscriber said that go to Pattaya and visit Sanay Terminal 21. I was like maybe Terminal 21, like because Terminal 21 it sounded like not a mall, but it's different. So it's like it's new for me. Like it should be like Terminal Mall. Or whatever it is guys, but anyway it's nice actually, and there is more in there, like as you can see that another plane. Ay nako, I think the owner of this one guys is a pilot. What do you think? Terminal Shopping 21. So tonight is Saturday night here in Thailand, Pattaya, and we just got done doing karaoke, guys. If you were on my live stream, you saw it, but I didn't film anything 'cause since I was live stream. Yes, you guys, maybe some of you missed the karaoke like that, and then yeah, it's hard to find really the karaoke guys. Like the first one that we went to is like it's closed, but here it's quite like you need to walk a lot of there, and then we were walking from the other place to here. So but yeah, there's a lot of karaoke bars here also, but there are more like open place areas, but I don't really like to sing with in the publicly like that open space. Like I want it just for like private, just me or the friends with friends like that, because I've been more comfortable. But yeah, karaoke is here also in Thailand, but I think karaoke not really super big in here in Thailand. I think more on Philippines and Vietnam. Yeah, but it's really good to know also the different kinds of what people's like that. So, but here a lot more. clubs, a lot more bars. I don't really know the exact of this place, but it's not really far from the central cities. It's like 8 minutes away, like that.